I really like this Hulkman Sigma 5 car battery charger. This is the 5 amp version. It's pretty compact compared to my hand. It's about 5 inches in length. So this one's capable of charging AGM, lead acid batteries, lithium 12-volt battery, 6 volts, 6-volt AGM, and regular lead acid battery. And it's a pretty simple charger. It's just 2 buttons, selection, and then the OK button. It's got a nice big digital readout. It's got this 6 feet in length battery cable, and the gator clips look really nice. I really like these gator clips. The spring is not the hardest, but it's got good tension to them, and they look really nice. They don't feel cheap at all. Hulkman. It's very easy to press on the gator clips. Not hard. And it attaches to the charger via this connection. So you could disconnect this during storage, so you don't have such a long cables just dangling about. It comes with this zip tie or Velcro tie. And then here's I guess it's a dust plug. I don't think it's waterproof because I don't see any gasket on it. And then here's the inline fuse. Sigma 5. Now when I got mine, this rubber backing was installed backwards, so that this wall mount holes were pretty much covered by this rubber backing. So I had to unstick this thing, and it was glued on pretty good, but I managed to get it off without ripping this rubber. So I complained to Hulkman about that, and they gave me a partial discount for that quality control mishap. And also, I suggest, if you're gonna, when you're using it, that you stand the charger like this vertically, because the back side gets really hot while it's charging. So in this way, the backside gets cooled off because it's passively cooling. There's no fan. So the backside gets very hot mid-charge. Then towards the end, it cools off, or just lukewarm, where it feels lukewarm. I don't remember ever the front getting that hot. I don't think. Oh, but also initially when I was doing my first charge and it was getting hot, I noticed that this front cover was starting to unstick, probably because of the heat. So I had to press it back on. So it's just sticker. It's just sticked on there. So I had to press it back on, and so far it hasn't done it since. And I've used this maybe 5 times already. I like it. Hulkman. So yeah. So when you're using it, make sure it's standing up like this to aid in the cooling the backside. And it also came with a wall bracket, so you could mount it on the wall if you prefer to do that. All right, let's put it to use. Okay. I'm gonna charge on AGM battery. Okay. See how long this takes. Okay. My car is a 2020 Honda Odyssey, so it's roughly just over 2 years old, and it's been sitting idle for maybe 3 days. I measured the car battery voltage at the beginning, and it was roughly 12.3 volts. The entire charging process took roughly over 8 hours to complete. So I've sped up this video by quite a bit so I don't bore everybody to death. The charger spent the next hour or two slowly ramping up the voltage to 14.6 max, and it spent the majority of its time at 14.6 volts. And once the charging is completed, it will drop down the voltage to 13.6 volts and go into maintenance mode or trickle charge mode. It will maintain that voltage indefinitely until you unplug the charger. So I've got the Hulkman charger hooked up to the car battery, and using my multimeter connected directly to the battery, I'm reading 12.71 volts. And on the Sigma, it's reading 12.7 volts. So that's the standing voltage. It's not currently charging. It's just reading the battery voltage. So it's right on the dot. So that's it for my review of the Hulkman Sigma 5 car battery charger. Please hit like and subscribe if you want to see more of this type of videos and to help my little channel grow. All right, until next time, see ya.